Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about the Mendeleev's achievements. Today, I have to continue the achievements, and after that, I will explain the limitations of Mendeleev classification. Okay, in the last class, we have discussed about the properties of Eka aluminium and gallium. Okay, Eka aluminium and gallium. Eka aluminium, later they given the name as gallium. Okay, formula is same, E2O3. Eka aluminium formula is E2O3, gallium formula Ga2O3. Okay, here Eka means E2, E first letter, gallium is the Ga, so E2O3, Ga2O3, ECl3 and GaCl3. Formula of chlorides, formula of oxides also we are discussed. Properties of Eka aluminium and gallium we are discussed. He left the gaps in his periodic table. That is a very good achievement. In the future, they will found the another elements and they will kept in that gaps. That's why it is a very acceptable periodic table. Now, the Eka aluminium later as named as gallium. Okay, these properties as both are similar. This provided convincing evidence for both the correctness and usefulness of Mendeleev's periodic table. This properties of Eka aluminium and gallium. This provided convincing evidence for both the correctness and usefulness of Mendeleev's periodic table. Further, it was the extraordinary success of Mendeleev's prediction that led chemists not only to accept his periodic table. Chemists are not only to accept his periodic table but also recognized him. Not only accepted his periodic table, they also recognized him as the originator of the concept on which it is based. Which taken which concept on increasing atomic mass. Increasing atomic, when elements are arranged in the form of increasing atomic masses, he selected this concept. And later, noble gases like helium. What are the noble gases is there? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are the noble gases. Okay, noble gases have been mentioned in many contexts before this. Many contexts before this. These gases were discovered very late because they are very inert and present in extremely low concentration in our atmosphere. One of the strengths of Mendeleev's periodic table was that actually when he is classified, that time noble gases is not there. Why? Because noble gases is very, after that only they will discover the noble gases. Noble gases were discovered very late because they are very inert and present in extremely low concentration in our atmosphere. It is very low concentration in our atmosphere. Okay. Now, scientists are not only accepted his periodic table, they are recognized him. Noble gases like helium, noble gases. What are the noble gases is there? Already you know the noble gases. Helium, formula is He, helium. And neon formula Ne, neon. And argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are the noble gases. Just I am writing some noble gases. Noble gases of helium, neon, argon. Helium, neon, argon have been mentioned in many contexts. Have been mentioned in many contexts. Have been mentioned in many contexts before this. These gases were discovered very late. These gases were discovered very late. very late because they are very inert. Because they are very inert and because they are very inert. Already we know about the noble gases. Noble gases are very inert and present in extremely low concentration in our atmosphere. Inert and present in extremely low concentrations, extremely low concentrations in our atmosphere. Low concentration in our atmosphere. So this is one of the strength of Mendeleev's periodic table was that. So this is one of the strengths of Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table. This is one of the strength of the Mendeleev's periodic table was that. When these gases were discovered, when these gases were discovered, they could be placed in a new group. They could be placed in a new group without disturbing the existing order. Without disturbing existing order. Okay, so after the latter only noble gases they discovered. Noble gases were discovered very late because of they are very inert and present in extremely low concentration in our atmosphere. After that, this is one of the strength of Mendeleev's periodic table. When these gases were discovered, they could be placed in a new group without disturbing the existing order. When they are arranged the noble gases in the periodic table, they did not disturb the other elements. How they are kept into the periodic table? They could be placed in a new group without disturbing the existing order. Okay, this is about the achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. These are the achievements of the Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, thank you.